Hello everyone. Today I am here to give you a brief introduction on Learning Express, specifically the resources tied to our test prep material. Learning Express is one of our online resources that will give you access to test prep, other study materials, as well as some job and skill related materials, including a resume builder. To get to Learning Express, you start from our main website, kanawhalibrary.org, and then press the research button here at the top of the page. From our research page, simply scroll down until you get to our most popular research tools collection, and then click on Learning Express Library. Now, this may ask you to sign in with your card number and PIN, but after you do so, you'll be presented with this page that you see here. Now, I always strongly suggest you immediately sign in or register with Learning Express after you get to this page. The resources here are not accessible unless you have created an account with them, but it will allow you to keep track of the material you've already completed. Registering is a simple matter of pressing register, choosing the Kanawha County Public Library from this drop-down menu, and then filling out the brief bit of information here. As I already have an account, I will instead just simply log in and we will go from there. Now, after signing in, you'll usually be presented with the page that you see here as showing you your tests and tutorials and other resources that you have either started or recently finished. I usually stick with staying at the home page solely because it shows all of the available materials here. Now, if you were wanted to just browse through, you are more than welcome to click on one of the links and then choose from the presented list here, and this will give you related materials such as preparing for your SAT, and it just simply drops the links for you right here. Now, if you wish to make things a little more interesting for yourself, you can simply perform a search by going here into the search bar, and let's say you wanted to take the test for the GRE. We simply just type in GRE and press search. Now it will look up the letters GRE in everything, which is why we're seeing results such as great resumes and explore green economy occupations. But you will find, for example, the GRE General Test Prep here. If you wish to narrow down your results, you can simply just uncheck the boxes that are here. For example, we'll get rid of the articles and the flashcards. And this just will narrow it down to just the tests, and as well as the ebooks for those tests. Some of these will give you the option to just download the ebook, or if you wish to actually take a review test, you can simply click on the test. And as always, it is a matter of waiting for things to load. You'll notice that with the test, it will give you an example of how much time it's expected to take with the total number of questions, and you can choose if you want to go in as a learner so you could see the answers as you go, or if you actually want to do the simulation to ensure that you're able to complete it in the allotted time. From there, you can simply press Start Test, and it will allow you to begin taking the test. And at any time, you can go back to My Center, and it will normally keep track of what you have here. As I didn't save, it doesn't have anything listed here. That is the very brief introduction on how to access the test material through Learning Express Library. I hope that helps get things moving for you. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to anyone at the library through our Facebook page or through the chat service available on the website. Take care and stay safe.